Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to the vlog. So, I'm just packing up. I already deflated the boat, put all my stuff back in the RV. We're gonna head away from this spot, even though it's beautiful. We are now the only ones here. Everybody else has since moved on, so we're gonna move on as well. We're gonna leave here and hopefully catch a ferry very shortly. And when we get to the other side, I will figure out exactly where we're going. So you'll notice I'm in a full-out tracksuit because, again, woke up this morning, it was freezing. I actually had the furnace on in the RV until about noon. So now that the sun's come out and the clouds have broken up and moved away, though, it is starting to warm up. And I talked to a few of my friends on the other side of the lake, and they said it's hot over there. So I'm sure when we get off the ferry, it will be nice and warm on the other side of the lake. Fresh, how do you feel about going back on the ferry? She's like, Dad, leave me alone. I'm trying to hunt grasshoppers here. I can't say I'm excited to leave because now that the rain has stopped, it is turning into a beauty of a day. Look at that water. Nice and clear, no waves. Now would be a good time to take out the boat. Of course, I've already deflated it and put it away in hopes of catching a ferry in a couple hours. Crystal clear. Okay, so I got everything put away. Nothing should fly around as soon as we turn. Precious is getting excited. She knows we're about to roll. And bye-bye, beautiful lake. Till next time. So we're going to go into the village of South Baymouth. And Baymouth or Baymouth? One of the two. We'll have to check the sign when we get there. I'm not sure if there's a U. But that's where we catch the ferry. So I'll pick you back up when we get there. Okay, well, as you can see, we're at this little gas station here, just in this little village. And of course, I turn the RV off, go inside, get what I need to get, come back. She won't start, but they came over and boosted it. And that didn't work at first, and then he banged on one of the solenoids and it fired right up. So, I don't know, maybe a mechanic in our future. And of course, we're supposed to get on the ferry in, I don't know, a little over 2 hours. So hopefully she starts when we go to get off the ferry because I don't need the drama. Okay, guys, well, we made it to the ferry. As you can see, the ferry, whoop, there it is, terminal right there. So I got brave, turned the RV off. So fingers crossed she starts when the boat gets here. Even better would be that she stays starting. But now I have to sit here for an hour and a half and panic about whether it's going to start when the boat gets here and start again when the boat gets to the other side of the lake. But to be continued. And she started, thank God. So let's hope she starts when we get off the ferry, which should be here any minute now. I just heard somebody yell the boat's here and I was like, well, let's see if it'll start. So, but it did. That means it's getting close. And here she comes in all her glory to take us to the other side. It really is a large boat. Like, it's a really big ferry. I think the normal capacity is somewhere around 500 people. I'm not too sure how many vehicles, but currently restricted to not very many due to COVID. But she's here. Travel in good spirits. And now everybody else will come off, and then it'll be our turn to get on. So let's hope the RV keeps starting for us, because I don't want to be stuck on the ferry. Let's see how busy it is. Doesn't look to be that many vehicles on the ferry this time. on this ferry before and it's been packed. Like there's more than one level for vehicles, and the second level is not even down. It comes down on hydraulics. Even a fellow RVer in what looks to be, I guess, a Sprinter type RV. Only one RV in that whole load. Okay, well, I think we're gonna be the first one off again. Okay, so we're on the ship right at the front. Like, there is barely any room on each side of us. So, please, baby Jesus, let us start when we get there. All right, she's off. Pray for us. So you guys know the drill. Face masks are a mandatory requirement on the ferry. As mine falls off and my glasses fog up. Beautiful though. Look at the water. The boat's pretty much empty this time around, so that's a bonus.
Video will be played on monitors throughout the ship.
Here we go.
The location and operation of the marine evacuation system.
And away we go. So we're just turning away from the port, and then we'll head out into the lake. It doesn't get much better than this though. Look at that view. Absolutely beautiful. We might even catch a sunset. Okay, so we made it to the other side. There's the RV. Hello, puppy. Okay, so yikes. Hopefully she starts and we can get off. She started! So as soon as that bridge drops, we will be on our way. Possibly to a Walmart, I'm not sure yet. When we get off, I'm going to check the map and see where we're gonna go. Okay guys, well, as you can see, we have made it to the Walmart. So we're at Walmart for tonight in Hanover, Ontario. So, and then tomorrow, we'll drive a couple more hours and take Nana into the mechanic and find out why she's deciding to only start sometimes. So, anyways, there's only me, and you can't even see it because there's one other RV, but it's being blocked by that cart thing. So anyways, guys, I'm going to end the vlog here because you can barely see me because it's well after midnight. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. So thanks for watching, and wish us luck at the mechanics.